Hey guys, Clay Bryant here with Bryant Brothers Automotive and Performance. Coming to you today with the 2011 Mustang GT. We just finished up the VMP Gen 3R supercharger kit. Just wanted to go over a few things with you, kind of show you a little bit about the car. This has been a pretty lengthy project on this one. Customer supplied all his own parts, which we don't usually prefer, but he bought all the good stuff, so we were willing, and he's a good customer of ours, so we appreciate that. But this one right here, we ended up dropping everything out of the bottom. We did the BMR K-Member underneath. He will show you a picture of that here in just a second. We actually lowered this engine about a ½ inch from what it was originally. Did the Matic Twin Disk Clutch while we had it apart. So we just dropped motor, transmission, everything out of the bottom. Did the oil pump gears, Boundary oil pump gears. We appreciate them guys. Put everything back in, put the supercharger and everything on top, JLT, intake on here, versus the VMP factory one. We also did the UPR catch can. This particular kit is not designed for the VMP, but we modified it and made it work for, his current new application. We did injectors. We went ahead and upgraded the fuel pump in the tank, so that way it can support the amount of horsepower that this one's going to be pushing. We're hoping to get around 600, for this one. This is a manual car, so they usually tend to make a little bit more. But we also did gauges on the inside. If you want to come around here, I'll show you. So we did the nice one in the vent with the boost gauge. And then fuel pressure, oil pressure, and air fuel. He supplied all the gauges with the pod. But it turned out really good. This car is super nice. I'm gonna crank it up so you can hear it real quick. Like the sound of that new blower, new exhaust and everything on there. So I forgot to mention on this also, previously we've done a bunch of work to this car. It also has Cook's long tube headers on it, so I just want to make sure that you knew that. But anyways, we're going to send it home with him today. We always require a 500-mile checkup, so he's going to go drive it for 500 miles, break the clutch in, make sure everything's good, and then bring it back to us. We're going to put it on the dyno and see what it makes. So stay tuned, and we'll come back to you with a dyno vid.